Hey guys, I'm Courtney Tesano, and today I'm with celebrity hairstylist Tippi Shorter. She has done styles on celebrities like Alicia Keys, Jennifer Hudson, Tracee Ellis Ross, the list goes on. If you've seen someone with curly hair, this lady has probably done their hair. So today she's going to be doing a natural hairstyle on me. What are we doing?
So we did a faux hawk with faux bangs, just a super cool up style with a little adornment. So let's show you how we did it. The first thing with textured hair specifically, and when I speak of textured, I'm thinking about waves, curls, and coils, is prepping the hair. So we sent you some really great products for you to try at home to prep you for today. So give me your experience with that.
So I used a scrub and an apple cider vinegar rinse, and okay, you guys, don't knock the smell before you try it. It actually worked really well.
Yes.
I had a lot of buildup in my hair, so the scrub really got rid of that, and the apple cider vinegar rinse just like took care of everything.
Yeah, so the DP apple cider vinegar scrub, it's a Himalayan salt, so it totally dissolves. And with curly girls, as you know, we typically wash our hair maybe once every 2, 3, some even 5 days.
Yeah, time can go by.
So product, you know, scalp buildup, debris, and all that thing. So getting a really great scrub on the scalp is essential, and a healthy scalp equals healthy hair.
Exactly.
Yeah, and the apple cider vinegar rinse, basically also from DP really helps to kind of neutralize and balance the scalp, because a lot of times, you know, our body, we get a little acidic, we get a little too high in alkaline. So just to make sure that our body, like everything, just, you know, remains in a perfect pH, again, healthy scalp, healthy hair, the apple cider vinegar rinse does exactly that.
I heard happy hair, and that's pretty much all that I understood, but you're the expert, and I can just say that my hair felt really clean after.
Perfect. So that's the goal. So
Yes.
it's clean, it feels great, it looks amazing, and so I want to have a little fun, and I think we'll do a little up to. I'm going to be using the DP Argan Oil.
Okay.
Whenever I touch textured hair, waves, curls, and coils, I love to have a bit of oil in my hands.
Okay.
It just eliminates any friction, and friction causes frizz. So if I eliminate the friction,
And
I'm
we don't
eliminating the
want
frizz.
frizz. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's for sure one thing I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using the Mizani Ultra Smooth Sleek Guard, because I'm going to be pulling your hair up into a faux hawk. I want to make sure that I get your sides and your edges nice, sleek, and smooth. So right now I'm just defining my area that's going to be the bang. Have you ever worn bangs?
Oh, I wear them all
the time. Awesome.
Yeah. It's my date night look.
Yeah. So I'm just going to clip it. One thing you'll notice, you here and then you at home, is that typically when we clip our hair, we pull it, we stretch it, we wrap it around, and then we clip it. Well, that's stretching out your curls. I don't want to stretch out your curls.
Okay.
I always want to make sure I'm encouraging your curls. Okay, so I gathered it down into a ball, and then I clipped it.
Do you find a lot of curly-haired girls have a lot of different textures in their head?
Absolutely.
Oh,
yeah.
I thought I was the only one.
No, and that's why it's super essential, like when you get your hair cut, to have it cut in its curly state, because if you blow it out and cut your hair once, in fact, this actually happened earlier today. I was working with a model, and she had her hair blown out and had it cut, and so I'm styling her today, and the right side was a good 1.5 inches longer, and I'm working it so hard, and I'm just like, you know, and I'm having to put extra stress on her hair that is not necessary. It was cut even. Exactly. It's just her right side is looser.
Got it.
And so as a result, her curls were a little lopsided. Right now I'm just creating my sections.
Okay.
For control. You've got a lot of hair, so I want to make sure you've got some control there. So I've got your hair in 4 sections here to create my faux hawk. And I'm going to go ahead and use my ACV to re-wet your hair and use it as a leave-in conditioner before applying product.
Okay.
I'm only putting it on the area that I'm smoothing. I don't want to disrupt your curls.
We want to encourage our curls.
I always want to encourage the curls. You know, a little of the sleek guard. Okay, you turn your head to the left for me. Thank you. And I'm just going to use my Mason Pearson boar brush to smooth. Also, I'm sure you've heard as a curly girl, don't use brushes on curly hair.
Yes.
Okay. Well, don't use brushes on dry curly hair.
Exactly. Do you know that made such a big difference
Right.
after so much trial and error?
And secure this with an elastic band. Scoonchy is the brand. I like the elastic bands that are covered. All right, so I'm going to use the argan oil now to work into the bang. When doing this, make sure you're working from the top. You don't want to go underneath because you don't want to put excess oil or anything on your scalp.
Oh, that makes sense.
Or on your face. So we've got your bang. So we're going to grab it in a large chunk and we're going to fold it back on itself to create, you see the shorter version of that? Yeah. I am using bobby pins just to secure a little in the eye. You know, that little mysterious, sexy
thing.
That
always is. As long as my face isn't fully covered,
right?
I always think if I can see a little,
it's good, right? Yeah. I'm just doing a little back combing with my fingers. So if you do have like some of these random rogue pieces that want to do their own thing, just kind of pushing.
Or if you don't have a haircut.
Right, exactly. One thing I love doing, particularly when working with natural curly hair, is using this comb and a flat iron. So if I don't have a curling iron this small, I would wrap your hair around the comb just like this, and then I would hit it with a flat iron, and then and then give you.
So no heat damage, and no need to actually use a wand.
Exactly.
Wow.
So you're still getting just a little bit of heat from the iron, but not like all of your strand wrapped around. And we're going to start creating our buns. So we're going to lightly twist, gently wrap it around, and then pin. So I talked about adornment.
Yes.
So, you know, the huge thing on the red carpets have been, you know, super crafty with the bells, the flowers, exactly. I went to Joann's and picked up, and actually I keep this in my kit. Because you never know. You know, you can braid with it. I can make curls with it. There's so much that I can do with this.
Curls with it.
Oh, absolutely. Wet it. Oh yeah. Spray it. Put it on a roller. Let it set overnight, and I can make these, and I can make my hair. We're gonna just sew up the side and then create some fun through the top. And this is basically just elastic band that you can get at any craft store. And this is a crochet needle. Let's start from the bottom. Bring it through. Gonna loop it through to lock it. And then bring it the opposite way. Bring it through to lock it. So if you don't know how to braid, or if you want to have something fun but you don't really know what to do, this is super simple.
So this just secures it by looping it, to the other side.
But you'll also see it, so it's decorative. So you've got this, and now I've got it in the top. You've got your side, but then it also brings the decorative through the top. So I did your other side, and now I'm just looping this back around. You see all my cord here. I'm really loving what's happening going through the top, but now that I'm looping it through, I feel like I want to continue looping it through all the way.
I love
so yeah, so I'm just going to do that. Just load up my needle a little bit more.
And I'm sure this happens a lot, just being creative.
Totally, it totally does.
Just comes out of your head.
It's just like, oh, I like how that's looking. Let's explore that and go with it. So I'm just going to do a little light spray here just to make sure that this does not fall on your face. I'm using a hairspray by a company called Tweaked. I love this hairspray because the whole base around this particular brand is all about oils and nutrients. So you think like hairspray on curly hair, but if you're starting off with a spray that is oil based, it's really great. Super cute, super fun.
I love it.
A little adornment.
Yeah, I need to figure out somewhere to go that's worthy of this now. I just can't go to the grocery store.
You could. I just need my business card.
Exactly.
No, I'm just kidding.
Thank you so much, Tippi, for being here and creating this fabulous faux hawk with faux bangs. Let us know if you guys plan on recreating this look in the comments below, and subscribe to ET Style on our YouTube for more beauty style transformations.